How to submit a plumbing permit. The plumbing permit is located under the building section. Step 1 will ask if this permit is linked to a building project. If yes, you can enter information to link the project. If no, you can continue. Step 2 will capture the location information for the project. You can enter an address or parcel number. For this example, I will type in 76 Service, pick 76 Service Center Road from the drop-down. This will also bring over the parcel information. It's critical to have the 2 green checks here in order to proceed. The application form will appear in step 3. You can enter the owner information, followed by contractor, permit contact, and other pieces of information. You may fill in to see fee estimations as well. The location information is informational only and cannot be edited. Step 4 will allow you to upload files. Once you have selected a file, you can click the upload. You must select a file type. The final step allows you to confirm all the information that you've entered. You can click each tab to review the information entered. If there's an issue, you can click in the back button and resolve. If not, you can click Submit.